Today's lesson is going to be working with graphics in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to step you through the skills and how to perform them in Microsoft Word, and then you'll go on your own to do the practice files, which is shelter news and park maps. So with me, I need you to open up the newsletter data file. So we'll go to File, Open, browse our flash drive, and then we're searching for the data file on our flash drive inside the Word 2016 folder. And it should be called newsletter. So we're going to open that data file. Oops. All right, so here's what the newsletter data file should look like. Step 1 says open the newsletter data file, which we've done. Save the document as HH newsletter followed by your initials. So we'll do File, Save As. Over here in the Save box, you can browse for your flash drive first, sorry. Browse for your flash drive, make sure to click on it. So newsletter followed by your initials. And we'll save it. It may prompt you and say it's going to save it in the newest format. Just say OK. All right, step 2 says select all of the text document except the newsletter title at the top. Okay, so that means from June down. So we've selected all of it. And then under the Layout tab, so we'll go to the Layout tab, select the Columns icon, and then we want to go down to More Columns. And so it says include a line between 2 columns. So we want to select 2 columns, and we need to check mark the line between. And then we click OK. So now we should have 2 columns. Step 3, click in front of the paragraph heading Clubhouse Reservations. So in front of Clubhouse Reservations, and insert a column break. So under the Layout tab, we're going to choose Column Break. So that shifts it to the second column. Select the text, don't forget to pay your rent. So we'll select this text. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, so Home tab, we're in the paragraph grouping. We want to click the drop-down menu for borders. We want to go down and select Borders and Shading option. And then change the border width to 2 1/4 point. So borders width 2 1/4. And choose a color of your choice. I'll choose this blue so that it goes along with the rest. On the right hand side, in the preview section, make sure only the top and bottom borders are selected. So I want to select top and bottom borders. So these are the right and left, the left and right borders. We don't want to apply those. All right, and then click OK. So now we have top and bottom borders around that text. Under the Design tab, apply a page color. So we'll go to the Design tab. Over on the right hand side is a page color. So your choice of page colors. Okay, and you can apply a simple color or select Fill Effects and apply dramatic page color. So if you want to do a dramatic page color, you can go down to Fill Effects and it lets you do like a gradient style color if you choose to do that. I'm just going to stick with the simple color. We're also going to apply a page border of your choice to the whole document. So we'll go up to page borders. I'm just going to go with a box. You actually can choose an art border. So I'm going to choose these palm trees. And I'm going to change them down to just 20 points. And I want to apply this border to the whole document. Click OK. So now I have my new border. Step number 6, under the Hawaiian Luau Planned heading, so right here, insert an online picture related to the keyword Hawaii. Resize the image so the words wrap around the image. So we want to insert, and then pictures, online pictures. Sorry, my ribbon is condensed because I have my screen size down so that I can split screen between my step-by-steps. Well, if my images will load. All right, so we want to search for an image related to the word Hawaii. I'm going to go with this little penguin and its luau attire. So I'll click Insert. So right now I have I'm going to resize that image down because I want the words to wrap around it over here on this side. So when you're selected on your image, you now have these picture format tools. I'm going to resize this so you can see it. And here in the Arrange section, we have this wrap text. And I want to turn on tight. So once you turn wrap text tight on, now the words wrap around that image and fill in that space. Oops. Sorry, no. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right, step number 7, in the Independence Day Parade section. So this section, insert a photo of an American flag as the background behind the words in the paragraph. Change the color of the image under the Format tab to recolor washout. All right, so we need to go insert an online picture again. This time we want flag. We want this American flag is good. So we'll insert that. And we need to choose wrap text, behind text. And I need to resize this. And then we want to recolor it. So color, and then I believe that one's washout. Yeah, washout. I don't know how I get that like text. I don't know why it has that caption section on it, but we'll just leave it. All right, step number 8. At the end of the second column, insert an oval shape. So this is our second column. We want to insert and then shapes. We want to insert an oval, it said. So I'll draw that oval. And on it, let me write on it. So we'll just draw a text box on top of it. So insert, text box, and just simple text box. And we want it to say, have a great month. All right. And then it says remove the fill color. We'll say no shape fill and no outline. I'm just going to resize the font. All right, and then that's it. So save the workbook. And those are all the skills that you will need to do the on your own lesson. So here's the on your own. You will be working with the shelter data file as well as the park map data file. So shelter data file is similar to the newsletter where you're making it into 2 columns. So this is what the completed version of shelter news will look like when you're done with it. So follow those step by steps. And then the park map, you're actually not working with a pre-created data file. You're opening up a new blank Word document and you're using the shapes tool to draw out this map. So using shapes and the text tool to draw this map, and then that's what you'll submit. Okay, so there's no data file for the park map one. You're just starting from a blank Word document. If you have any questions, email me and I will try to get back with you, but I will be flying today. So if you have any questions, I can help answer them when I return on Friday.